Guys, come look. I think I fixed it. Guys. Come look. Come witness me. What's this box doing on my face? Come witness me. Yeah. I think I fixed it. Don't be weird about it. Don't be weird about it. We gotta save Donald Trump, y'all. We gotta save Donald Trump. I'm not sure how long this is gonna last, but we'll see. I'm ready to bump heads with some knuckleheads. We're taking the cozy off. Actually, we're putting the cozy back. And we're putting the Canada back. Who am I kidding? But I'm ready to tussle. At a moment's notice, baby. Alright. Let's go ahead and spend this weak ass $20. What's up, Vic? Clap it up, baby. Alright, let's prepare to spend this weak ass $20. We're gonna spend $20 to get this ChatGPT shit going. Somebody give me 20 bucks. No, I'm just playing. I can do this shit. Alright, let's prepare to spend $20. Cause we want the power. We want the power. We know what we're here for. Vic, have you seen my new project? Do project 2. I want to make a chatbot. Not a chatbot. Is it a chatbot? Maybe a chatbot. But we're going to teach you how to detect lies. We're going to create a fact checker with a 1-minute delay. Don't worry, I'll make my command for it here in a second. Calling this shit fake news. All right, check out the deets. And we're gonna do this. Actually, we're supposed to do Godot first, but we're gonna do this shit for about an hour. All right, there we go. You been working on a side project? What you been up to, bruh? Ooh. Oh, wait, shit. Can I show this? Am I allowed to show this? Did it just say the word? E. E. Ooh. Is this teaching me Japanese? Eh? Eh? That's pencil? Or, wait, no way. Am I saying this right? Or am I just saying like half the word? Oh. Ka. Like, I feel like it's casa. Yeah, that doesn't, you know what? I don't know Japanese. Who the fuck am I to judge? No, clap it up. That's pretty impressive. Vic, what, in your opinion, what do you think we need? So, this is what we want to do, right? We want to be able to recognize people and keep a tally of their lies, average lies per statement, news bias, give a letter grade, run on our stream delay or maybe even a VOD. Yeah. And then want to be able to give credit. So I know we're gonna need like ChatGPT and stuff like that. And we'll train it off of a few videos. We'll train it off of 3 videos. What you thinking? That's a cool ass project though. No, I think I'm just gonna have it. I want to be able to like. I want to be able to play a video, and and this program will then run, and listen and watch the video. The video. This program will then be able to. So basically, a perfect place to use this. Like, I want to have it open on the side screen. I want it to see the screen. And then I want to be able to go to like YouTube or TikTok and just scroll. And it be tell me something on TikTok, and then ChatGPT tells me if it's true or not based on how I've trained it to make reason of it. But I guess I could also link it to Twitch chat, but this is more for videos. Yeah, this is more for videos. How are you always coming up with convoluted and complex problems and projects? I mean, shit. I wasn't trained to do this, so like I think computers can do everything. So why not try everything? I think that's going to be an important thing for us to do, to to transcribe it. Like, so let's do that. Let's, before we download ChatGPT, right? Hey, yo, what up, Nitro Elite? Clap it up, baby. That's what we talking about. We love to see the YouTube people coming in. We love your faces. Today's purpose of today's stream is twofold. One, we're gonna get Donald Trump out of jail with one of my apps. First one up. I think I said I was gonna do Godot first, but I lied. We're gonna do coding first. So let's put an hour on the clock. Let's go. And today we're going to focus on getting, I think that's the first thing I want to do. I want to be able to transcribe any video, twofold. One, be able to transcribe a normal video, and then transcribe a video on delay. So if a video starts playing, I see people who have it working on their screen normally. Like they can transcribe their text as they talk on stream, and the words come out. So I know you can do that in real time. And I think audio to text, yeah, let's find that. But streamers are able to do it in real time. So that's the first hurdle. Now we got to make it our own. We got to be able to use it like repetitively, unequivocally. So if it's like a paid tier one, I don't want it. Like we already got to pay for ChatGPT. We're working on no budget over here. You feel me? This thing is funded by strangers. So today's task. Get ending. All right, let's rock. What up, Taurus? I think so. I think it's easy too, but how many times have I said that and that's come back to bite me in the ass? You feel me? Taurus, stop talking to the bot. Stop talking to the bot, Taurus. We got people here. All right, so let's look it up. Did you send me a link? Thank you. Features. Let's see what comes with this shit. Uses customizable pre-trained models built with Breakthrough AI. Deploy cognitive service anywhere from the cloud to edge container. We don't have a server, so we can't use this one then. Alright. Valiant effort. I see Victor has pulled one. Oh, we got a speech recognition pie. This was literally released about a week ago. This project started as a tech demo, but these days it seems more time than I have to keep up with the PRS issues. Therefore, I put it on open invite for collaborations. Just reach out. Okay, cool. He's looking for help. Speech recognition engine API supports Google Cloud Speech, Microsoft Azure, Open Whisper, works offline. That's nice to know. Whisper AI. Interesting. As long as a cup of water falling in my computer can stop my computer from working, I think I will be fine. It does look very useful, but like, what type of resources do I need? Project links, source code, issue trackers. First, make sure you have all the listed requirements section. Where's the requirement section? I think the requirement section should definitely come before the installing section. My personal opinion. All right, Python, PyAudio. FLAC encoder. Okay, OpenAI. Only if you need to use Whisper. Whisper required only if you need to use Whisper. So then I guess the secondary question we gotta ask ourselves is, which one of these? Man, see, and that's just like the bullshit of the situation, right? Like, I get make your money, but for an unperfected product, thanks for doing the research on that, Deflux. Pretty soon they're gonna be able to defend themselves. I guess you're right. That cup of water trick only works for so long. Let's see how long they last when you unplug they ass. The good old tripped on the cord and now everything's shut down. Yeah, I guess you're right. Let's at least set it up. So let's download the ones that we know we need. We're gonna create another file. Speech to text.py. Terminal. Oh no. I have a feeling we're gonna have to use OpenAI just because so many other ones are attached to it, and we know we're gonna be paying for one. So if all of them require you to be paid, it comes down really to like which one which one ain't like which one can I pay for it and get the most bang for my buck. All right, cool. So we got this in there. And what did I just download? Let's get our Pi audio because we'll also use our voice to train this as well, which will make it probably a little easier. Let's just check to see, make sure it's up to date. Looks like I've already been here before. But just to be safe. Excellent. All right, let's go down the list. What's this Pocket Syncs one? It said to quickly see just Whisper, OpenAI, etc. shown in speech recognition are like plugins. What you talking about, Willis?
We got a birthday, so get the ice cream, cake, and the frosting. Don't be a party pooper feeling faded and heartless. Just grab yourself a scoop and celebrate it regardless. Make the day for you, cause you're the state of the art. No other way to impart. There's plenty lucky and smart. This doesn't matter. You can come from outer space on the stars. But you come out of heart. With everybody applaud because the day was starting. The chorus raining catharsis. Let's have a party.
At the moment, silent. Please set minimum energy threshold to 9472. Say something. Okay, cool. So, we know that how to recognize it. Okay, so it's working, but we just don't have a input for it. All right, cool. That's awesome. So we'll put the ice on that for now. That's adorable. Willow baby, what's up? I was looking for you. I was looking for you like a man lost in Toronto all week. That's how I was looking for you today, Willow. How we doing, darling? Oh, they're like add-ons. Okay. So we can do this with. So let's see how far we can get with what we got right now. All right, installing requirements, blah blah blah. Python 3.8. Pi audio's in that motherfucker. It's required. Can I use my mic for this shit? Double down with the mic. Oh, it is XLR, so I should be able to. But we want to train it off of a video. That's fair. That's fair. But I'm happy to hear you feeling better. Y'all, I was looking for Willow in Toronto. I was looking for sushi and Willow. I only found one, but it's all right. When I go back, I'm going to find both. I believe in love. Zarba Moan. Wrong Moan. The right one. There we go. There we go. I'm doing all right. Had a good day at work. Couldn't complain. As great as my day was, though, at some point during my day, I had a friend reach out to me and ask me a question. Oh, hey, Grimy. And this friend asked me what I thought was very unreasonable question. Borderline disrespectful. This friend asked me, hey, Nelly Furtado and Nelly, the rapper, who do you think's more popular? Who's more popular? And then proceeded to tell me the only popular song that Nelly the rapper has is a song with a country music star. And then proceeded to say, I've never heard any other of his songs. I then proceeded to inform this person about Hot in There, Shake Your Tail Feather, every fucking Bad Boy movie you've ever watched. The opening song is a Nelly song. Or fucking P. Diddy song. And this person had the audacity to then proceed to inform me, well, he still thinks Nelly Furtado's the best. If you don't...
Son of a bitch.
If you don't... Yeah, man, so... I'm sorry to inform you guys, that friend is no longer with us. And if I'm not here on stream tomorrow, it's because I committed homicide. And I want you to know it's true what they said about me. Clap it up.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, I did it. You guys heard it here first. I will not go kicking and screaming. Take me to jail. I didn't even want to go in this dictography. Like, I just left it there. You're right, Taurus. He did have it coming. He did have it coming. You can, when you fight with your homie, it's important to let them know that those punches and those blows aren't a sign of, like, hate. Every punch is a healing blow of love and affection. I love you so much. It's just because in 2007, I'm thinking about my life right now. In my life, when I was a high school kid, we used to have this thing called juke jams, where everybody would go to somebody's mama's basement, turn off all the lights, and on some 11-inch speakers, put that bitch to 12, and Nelly would come on and be like, it's so hot, so hot, so hot in here. And it was hot in here, but motherfuckers was dancing. But yeah, Grimy, how you doing? How you doing, Grimy? Grimy, how about you tell us which Nelly you like so much? Which is your favorite Nelly? What it do, baby? Clap it up. We love it. We love it when we see the YouTube people. Anytime I see somebody on YouTube, I want you to know we appreciate you. Shout out to the YouTube strangers. All right, I'm tired of looking at this shit. Let's find the libraries and import speech recognition index name emulator. All right. Let's find the library so we can see what we can actually use from this. Because I don't know any of the commands. Library reference. Create a new microphone instance, which represents a physical microphone on a computer. Subclass audio source. Okay, cool. Wait, this doesn't look like Python. Yeah, but Taurus can be excused. Grimy, you can't be excused. I know your background. I know you grew up. I know what hood you grew up in. I will not forgive you for this. And when I come for you, Grimy, I want you to know there'll be no remorse. No mercy. I want my pound of fucking flesh for the level of disrespect. Vengeance. All right. What are we using to do this shit? What's it called? Speech recognition Python. Make a microphone instance. I'm gonna say hi to Maddie real quick. Yeah, go and say hi. Oh wait, why aren't my events displaying? Someone just followed me and I can't thank them. Person who followed me, thank you. Your boy can't see. Fascinating. Just arrived here. What are you working on? We're going to make we're trying to make a a bot or a chat bot that can that will when it hears or sees fake news, it'll tell us the truth. Hit project 2. Hit project 2 on that motherfucker. It's pretty cool. I just figured if you the fact. Okay, one of the reason why I started doing this project because I was having a conversation with. I wasn't having a conversation. Let me stop telling the story this way. I just traveled. I just got back from Toronto and I was sitting in the terminal. Okay, normally I fly Delta, and I always just sit in the Delta lounge. But because I had to fly American this time around, I was forced to sit with the common man. And while sitting with the common man, I found out the common man is getting dumb as fuck, y'all. So while I was sitting there waiting for me to get on this damn plane, two dudes was talking, and then one of the dudes was talking about oh, this and this and this was happening. And the dude was like, bullshit. That's not what's going on right now. And the other guy was like, this is definitely what's going on. Because ChatGPT said so. And my left nut went back into my body. Only the left one. The right one was just still there dangling. And the level of cringe that happened to me at that very moment told me, kill everybody here. The world will thank you. And then my option 2 was, what if I could just create a bot that just told the truth, you know? So then I was like, okay, so we're gonna come back and we're gonna do this, and the goal is whenever I have this thing running, whenever I have this thing open, any video, any audio it detects on my screen, it will fact check it based on the algorithm that I set up for it. Let that piece be very important. This is going to be an algorithm based on my own moral code. Some things you should know about me. I don't give a fuck. But I will slap some shit up. Import speech recognition. Oh, where'd you find this? Good catch, Police. What's up, Police? Police was a major help yesterday. We decided to go with the text editor just so we could get some text in first because I wanted to see how many of these things first. So once we learn how to transcribe it, try true silent. Please try with me as source. Adjust my ambient noise. Source. That looks exactly like the stuff I just wrote. Interesting. Caffeinated Vibes, subs, projects. How's the projects going? Well, we're making progress. A recognizer. So the recognizer we can set to be multiple things. Hmm. Okay, so then the next question is, how do I set up this thing to understand my recognizer? We are gonna have a good time with this one. Oh wait, I can find out who was the last person to follow me. I just gotta pay attention to the screen. Y'all gotta let me know if some shit happens on the screen, cause y'all know I don't be looking. I don't be paying attention now. Let's not pretend we on formalities.
Let's not stand on ceremony here. You fight like a younger man. There's nothing held back. It's admirable, but mistaken.
Oh, speaking of that, I figured out what the problem was. So check it out, right? Y'all see my little Ethernet, right? I'm going ham right now. I'm going ham. This used to be, this is like running at 7.7 megabytes or whatever. It used to be running at like 0.14. You know, ChatGPT only knows up to 2021. It can't fact check against anything after. Give an example. Give an example of something that is true in 2023 that isn't true in 2021. Someone said this yesterday to me, and I was like, okay. Facts are always based on the past, aren't they? Give me an example of something that's true today that wasn't true yesterday or in 2021. But apparently since switching over, it's been way better. I appreciate you doing the research. Eggs are good for you. Well, that my bias would come into that play. Asking ChatGPT who started the Ukraine-Russia war. Ooh. Asking it if Finland's part of the UN agreement. That would be an easy answer right there. Based on 2021, it would not have been. Today it is. But in those situations, I could train the bot for that, and I'm prepared to do that. You're probably right, noob. But like, how do I defeat my ISPs? So this is just where it's coasting at. I guess this is all that I need because I've seen it clock 50. I've seen it clock 50 and 60 when I needed it. But like, I guess this is all I need when I'm like running stream right now for what I need it for. If ChatGPT could predict the future, life would be boring. That's why I always said the Flash and like precogs are boring superheroes. I have a Flash type character in my comic book, and the one caveat is he can only move fast. He can only move fast when holding his breath. So I switched it. I'm no longer on Wi-Fi. I took the cord directly from this motherfucking modem straight to my computer. I had to create an address. I had to create a new address and everything. It was brutal. Okay, so So we have try, print, recognize source. Let's go back one step. I feel like you sent me something useful, but recognizers. Okay, let's see. Whispers, input, P. What are supposed to be the recognized? Introduce package for future refactoring. Recognize whisper API. Okay, so how do I teach it to recognize? Okay. I think I understand what I gotta do. Okay. Yeah, I think that's the big one right there. Like, how do I tell it which recognizer I want to use? So you recognize Python using my own mic. Picking Python speech recognition package, installing speech recognition. Working with audio files, recognizing recognizer classes. Okay, Bing, Google. Oh, the recognizer classes are literally the things we use. So we still have to find one that like works in tandem with this. We need to find one that works in tandem with the speech recognizer for my own mic. But let's probably not do our mic first. Let's work on just a regular audio file or a regular file, yeah, before we step up to that level. I think that's a little bit more complicated. Working with audio files. Let's be a little bit cutthroat here. Let's say we want to work with video files. Because most of the things we'll be working with is video files. Hey, yo, New, thanks for the follow. My little thing isn't working, so I can't see any of those alerts, so I appreciate y'all. Just know I love y'all. I love your faces. Oh, there's another one. A pip install for this one. There's a specific. Oh, someone's already figured this out. Check it out. Put me in the game, coach. Yes, it was. Yes, that was it. Speech recognition module, multiply. Import the libraries. Give me this one. Ooh. video to audio conversion. In this setup, we will do something really cool. Which, all right, this is the one I'm reading. Somebody give their honest opinion. Mastodon? What you talking about, Willis? You trying to make fun of me? Now let's import the audio file that was created in the previous step. And we'll just tell it to save it somewhere else. Hey Willow, you can't leave this time around. You see how great the stream is doing right now? As soon as Willow was talking about leaving yesterday, my shit went to hell. So Willow, you here for the long haul? Do you need to be asleep, or do you just want to be asleep, huh?
Would you like to ask a question right at this particular time? Would you like to do that?
Yeah. Do you need to go to sleep? Is it mandatory? Oh, we got I can't see any of my alerts. Who rated us? Who was it? Who was it? Oh, it was the majestic beast himself, Medallion Stallion. That beast of a man. What's up? Zion, what's good, baby? Oh, you brought your silky smooth raiders over here. What were you doing? Some leak code? Everybody go check out Medallion. Y'all go give him a love follow. But don't go to his stream if you got a girlfriend. Because once she lays eyes on him, you gonna take her. You gonna take her. Well, yeah, we've been on it. This new project too has been beating my ass. It's just because there's so many facets, and we just need to narrow down our scope. But definitely, y'all go check out my boy. So what was you up to then? Let me check. Let me see what you was up to. What was you up to? Oh, sign language dictation? See, I could never. Not only is he out here saving the world, he's doing it majestically as F as well. Well, hello Raiders, hello all newcomers, hello all the newbies. My name is Heero. This is Coding with Strangers. I lied on my resume to get a tech job, and it worked. So I've had to actually learn how to program. Clap it up for lying, I guess. I don't know. Don't do what I did, kids. Work hard. Eat your vegetables. Drink enough milk or some shit like that. But a few ground rules. Don't fuck with the code. Backseat coding's allowed here. I usually code what I want when I want, and I'm never right about it. The objective here is to learn through failure, over and over and over again. If you can't explain the code to a 5th grader, you can't send the code to me. Keep that in mind. Your frustration is not going to make me smarter. It will just make your hair fall out faster. And look at Medallion. That man has a full set of hair. And he has it because he doesn't stress. And if he does, maybe, I don't know, he lifts weights or some shit. Genetics. Can I get an oh yeah?
Oh yeah!
But yeah. Our current project right now is twofold. We are going to be working on a way of getting ChatGPT and a combination of other things to detect lies, tell when people are lying, and I want to be able to run this like in real time. So phase 1 of this task is just simply turning every video. We want to do this from a video standpoint. We want to do this with a minute delay on a real-time video, and maybe even like get it that time down to like 15 seconds. But the first part is just simply turning VODs or audios into text that we can then transform into text to then send to the chat bot to then be trained. My objective is to use my morality. And I have a very flawed moral code, as you can probably imagine, since I lied on my resume. But don't you dare come here judging me, you fucking animals. I did what I had to do to put bread on my table for my starving kids. I'm just lying, I don't have any kids. Do you see how morally fucked up I am? You guys are ready to believe that? You guys are ready to believe that? But yeah, that's where we at right now. And thanks to everybody who's following. I literally can't see who's following me because my mini feed is broken and I don't feel like restarting the stream. The kid ones always get you. Where's the follow sound from? I think that's probably the like Cardi that Cardi B one. Not Cardi B. Playboy. It's like villain. It's like the villain one. Yeah, that's it. Give me like 30 seconds, I'll find it. But yeah, I appreciate everybody coming through. Stallion, I'll do my best to take care of your crew. Well, I didn't have that. I truth be told, I lied during the interview. My lie came during the interview. I actually had to pass a practical exam. You had to score 70% on the exam. I scored a 72%, and that gave me the ability to get into the interview. Take it easy, boss. Yeah, all my lying came up front. And while I'm in here, if y'all got the mindset, shout out to my mod. During the day, you looking for the same energy, a little tired, at work, don't hesitate. Go check on my boy. He'll be there. But yeah, so now currently we're just looking for the audio version of this. So we got a lot of the code that we need, I think. So we're gonna go with this one first. And we're using this document to help ourselves along the way. So this is what I'm following. So we're all on the same page. Hey Mark, get set, ready, continue focusing. Um, so we're gonna do this one in speech to text. I'm gonna come back to this shit later. Now we have some idea of both formats. It's time to do the conversion using Movie PY library. You will not believe how easy it is. They always say it's easy, bro. It's the lies they tell up front that you need to be paying attention to. The lies they tell up front. MP. And you're probably wondering, why don't you just copy this? Like I said, we don't copy things we don't understand. So this rule is like at the core of everything for me. And you're probably wondering why I do this. I lost a tragic friend in a horrible car accident because we were arguing about the validity of me telling lies and telling truths on my resume. During the heated argument, he made one wrong turn and corralled off of a bridge. You see, once again, my moral code is fucked, you guys. I got some of y'all to believe that again. Stop believing shit I say to y'all. But no, seriously, that same friend made fun of me for not understanding code in it. And it was pretty embarrassing on stream, so here I am. Titus, never. What means that time? It's a clock. Shakespeare, thanks for the follow as well. Oh, the clock is supposed to dictate how long we're going to be working on this, because I'm actually also working on another project, which is this. But I think I'm going to dedicate tonight to just this, because we actually have something we can do. Yesterday I was being spiteful because I had to pay money, but now that I've stopped bitching and I'm prepared to spend the money, I think now we will audio. We'll just do this for the remainder. What do you guys think? Or do y'all want to see the gaming part? I love Godot, but in full disclosure, I've only ever used Godot. I think it's like, for me, that's all I know. So it's like losing your virginity and getting them pregnant and then marrying them all in the same night. She's the best I ever had. You feel me? Clap it up. She sits on my face, and I don't complain about nothing she says. You feel me? She's the best I ever had. I appreciate it, Grimy. Thank you so much. Grimy's actually doing work. Man, I'm going to hear this shit tomorrow. Especially all the shit I gave him tonight. Yeesh. I'm going to hear this shit tomorrow. But please practice safe sex, everybody. Don't be out here with one bird, one stone. Alright. Are converted. You're curious about the game? The game is the game is so shallow, guys. It's not even like my best work. It's just I just want to create I'm only going to create 2 characters. There's going to be 2 sets of combos and 1 set of finisher. And the finisher is just going to be one way. I just want to recreate this. I would be better off just drawing and animating this for my own pleasure. But instead, I'm making a whole game. And the worst part about it, I've never played the game. Lethal League is the game in question. I've never played it. I'm doing a disservice to the developers. But tomorrow's Wednesday. We'll do a full episode. We'll do a full stream tomorrow of the game. I recommend converting to its WAV format. It works great with speech recognition libraries, which will be covered in the next step. All right, step 3. First, let's define recognizer. Cool. R equals senior recognizer. Okay. Now let's import audio files that will create the previous step 2. Oh, okay. Audio. All right, everyone set your clock at exactly 22:19 Central Standard Time. Our dear Willow left us. Anything that goes on with the stream from here on out, we know she's the one. We love you, Willow. Take care. Also, wait, before you go, Willow. Now, I know what you guys are thinking, man. This Heero dude's a lot of energy, and he's like super active and yada yada yada. Y'all can go see my majestic silent protagonist, Willow. She also does a daytime stream. She don't be talking to people though. You can only love her passively. But if you want somebody to, chill and be focused with you, go do it. Go do it. Hey, I see you on YouTube. I see the one person on YouTube. We respect and love you. Hit the subscribe button over there on YouTube. Also, I've been unbanned on Twitter. Elon Musk has given me my Twitter back after weeks of making fun of him. So you can tweet out at me, and you can also follow me. And if you scroll down in my Twitch page, you'll see me in the tweet section saying test test. I can't believe he let me back. The merciful Elon Musk. No problem. Thanks for joining up. We appreciate you. Are you on Twitch too? Hey, feel free to come over on Twitch. We got a Discord. Well, I guess you can see me on Twitch. And we got a GitHub. I got a comic book. And I got love. How many of y'all got that? The OnlyFans links? No, we haven't released that one yet. Chunky Cuddles is coming soon. Oh, you're Shakespeare. Okay. Much love, much love. I'm done chilling for the meantime. We're back to focusing. So let's just, go around in circles. And I just want to ask some very simple questions. What type of programming do you do?
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
In addition to programming, It's a semi-Pomodoro timer. It was just something to remind me about how much time we have on this one, but I mean, Noob, I feel like it's really bothering you, my guy. And I have no problem removing it for you. Noob, I think you've asked me about this twice. I'll do it for you, my guy. We don't need it. I feel like it was really pissing you off. I'm sorry. Audio file. To wave. He gives you PTSD. Oh, my bad. I didn't know I was out here scarring y'all like that. Perfect. Here comes the best part, which is recognizing speech in an audio file. The recognizer will try to understand speech and convert it to text format with audio source. Oh, okay. I appreciate it. Are you talking about hats like this? I actually went to a comedy show. I went to a comedy show before I went to Toronto, and I got this hat. And I've fallen in fucking love with it. It's a Dragon Ball motherfucking symbol with his name on it. He was a comedian. I was like, yo, that shit's dope. I was like, yeah, that shit dope. I'm gonna buy it. Your jokes was funny, but your hat was cooler. Oh yeah, the thing about it is like I've been coding since last year May, and what a fucking journey. But the thing that hinders you from learning are your bad habits, your safety nets. So like the sooner you become comfortable just typing your shit, and like it always helps whenever you can find instructions, like good instructions that like the one I'm reading right now, that like in between the code it explains what it's doing, so you don't feel guilty because you're learning and you're understanding what you're typing. And there's gonna come a point where they're gonna ask you to set something up, and then you'll have to do it. Grimy, you need to do a braid up, bro. Got too hot? Grimy, I thought you liked it spicy. Hey, and that's another thing. Yeah, get the braid up, baby. So you got ventilation. You got paths. You got paths. Well, yeah, you always be cutting your hair, man. Stop cutting your hair. Let's go to TwitchCon together with long hair. Alright, so we got the wave. Alright, perfect. Here comes the best part, which is recognizing the speech in an audio file. The recognizer will try to understand the speech and convert it to a text format. Alright, so I guess this is going to be the first method. Or not necessarily a method, with audio as source. Hey, bad haircuts go a long way. You shouldn't have joined the army. You know about the free haircuts. Yeah. They give you the good old Forrest Gump. And they give you the good old Forrest Gump and Lieutenant Dan. Or source. All right. Okay, I was about to say I fucked up this somehow, but I just misspelled it. With audio. Hey, she got mad. What's good? No, I'm using speech recognition for this part. When I plan on introducing OpenAI when I'm actually using OpenAI in total, because we're gonna against my better wishes, we're going to pay the $20 to become immortal in their stupid app.
Getting full on that jack, Mac. First smack back, we got a nigga to back smack. It's gonna be a lot of head rolls. Breath hold to the death toll, you know. You Detroit niggas came to get deep.
We about to get this work. Isn't the password 12345 6? That's wild if it is. Source results equal R dot recognize Google audio file. Why are we using Google's audio file? Is Google's audio file free? Hey, Deflux, how far on the on your Godot? We're gonna be doing it tomorrow. Are you all caught up? She got mad. Have you been streaming? I'm asking for a friend. Final step. Well done. The hard work is completed. In this step, we will just export the recognized speech into a text document. This will help you to store your work. It also adds a print ready at the end of the code so you know the file is ready and work completely. That's nice.
Let me just say this. Save it for the end. Let me work. Please let me work.
Oh wait. Hey, tell me this shit is free and I'll be willing to praise you right now, Doc. Dr. Vermin. Nope, I need to get to a place where like I have some 3D boxes created so I can play with the C# stuff. Yeah, I only have a few scripts written in the Godot. Google will give you $300 credit. The API is pretty cheap. Pay per second of audio. Hey, do you mind putting that in the Discord for me? Putting that in the put it here section. Oh, and it has to be hosted? Oh shit. That makes it a little bit more difficult. We really have to make a server for ourselves so this can stop being a problem for us. We really got to think about that. All right. Export that shit. With, I actually remember this because we've done this a few times. With open, recognize. So we're gonna have to make one of these things. Yeah, I feel like while Google's over here trying to compete, because Windows bought OpenAI. Google just needs to find someone to buy their shit. Oh, it ships a free C hashtag? Damn. We missing out. C hashtag has a lot of benefits that I'm just not prepared to acknowledge. Oh, okay. 49%. They gonna get somebody to fold and sell that shit. You know it's coming. Oh, cool. They'll write it. They'll write it. Write it as file. All right, so this first line is gonna write the text document that's gonna do the action. So then we'll have a file write. I remember this file write. Recognize. I don't quite remember what this one will do. Speech. Oh, it's actually gonna, this is gonna be the first line. And then new line, write the file. Okay. So this is like our title. Let's spell right correctly. I feel like it should have caught that. File, new line. I remember this. Some madness. File, right. Now we're gonna actually write the text for it, which is gonna be results. And results is right there from the recognized audio file. And then we're gonna give it like something to tell about the accuracy. Well, I spelled results wrong on this one, but I actually spelled it wrong in the same one up there, so I guess we're fine with it then. Yeah, fellow streamer uses it in real time, bot on his stream. Interesting. Microsoft already integrated OpenAI in Azure, and Microsoft termed Azure OpenAI. Yeah, I know for sure we're gonna use OpenAI, but I feel like for the ones like this, so like this one isn't gonna be, this one has no ties to OpenAI, so this one's separate. Like I want to use this to run like for videos, and then when the text is made, just take the text straight into, just take the text document directly into ChatGPT. Then there'll be a second phase where we use sort of like a real-time situation, like a minute delay. Like we'll just be playing a video on screen, and we'll see how quickly it can take the audio from the video that's playing in real time and make and like translate it and stuff like that. But that's gonna be the next step. So like I know for sure OpenAI is gonna be like a part of it, but we're gonna take baby steps. We want to first see if we can just do this with a video. Power Apps? But why use Power Apps when you can use Python? Python is a stronger version of Power Apps. Shout out to the second person over there on YouTube. You got company over there. Clap it up. Drop a big bomb. YouTube. We got 2 people over there on YouTube. We love it. All I want is 100 followers on YouTube. That's it. That's all I want. Am I asking for too much?
Oh, yeah!
Yeah, YouTube's in there hot tonight. If I'm asking for too much, just let me know. Zapier? Oh, correct me if I'm wrong, Titus. I thought Zapier was sort of like a auto publisher. Like you publish to one platform and it disseminates it all to other places. How would you plan on using that? Architect, thanks for the follow. doing some speech recognition, creating your own NN model, or using a pre-trained one. I'm gonna use a pre-trained one and add some flavor to it. I'm gonna teach you some hood slangs. You know, the basic work. Oh, the disclosure comes out. You're a Microsoft employee. Hey, clap it up. We love that. Hey, tell they ass they could use a sponsor. They need somebody to promote they shit. You know, I'm not above shilling for the man. No, seriously, I have a brother that works for Microsoft. Zapier is a task workflow. Okay, so it's similar to like Power Apps. I've always been a fan of like Power Apps, like Ultrix and all of those. But like when I learned Python, I just became like, yo, nah, like let's do it. It's we're gonna do Python always first, and then once we do it through the Python way, then we can double back on an easier method. It's the principle. You feel me? We're not gonna take it laying down. Tell them, Randy.
Nobody said life was easy, so get knocked down, take the standing 8 count, get back up, and fight again. Macho man.
Goddamn right. Goddamn right. All right, this shit works. All right. Looks like we got everything we need. All right, so first we're gonna find a clip. We're gonna name that motherfucker clip. All right, let's find a. Somebody send me a 15-second long video, appropriately, of course. First person to do it will be acknowledged. 15-second clip. YouTube. You goddamn right, Grimy. All we wanted was HelloFresh to come to us correctly. Give us some spicy food in their menu. And you know what they brought to us? Fucking broccoli. Unseasoned fish. Baked, undercooked, baked chicken. The levels of disrespect, you guys deserve a better brand of Heero. He sends me a clip of myself. I hate it here. Yo, dry ass chicken. What is this clip? Why is this a clip? All right, fine. Fuck it. Download. Why is this a clip? What do we have to name this shit? Clip. Fake news. Well done. Well done, Deflux. A good second place to to Atek. I believe I'm saying your name right. 15-second clip. Make lettuce great again. Let's see how we're doing with the power rankings. For all you guys that are new to this channel, we have a hidden game that's always playing in the background. Grimy taking the charge, man. He doesn't like the fact that police is sitting there. We have this game called The Perfect Stranger. The Perfect Stranger is the most engaged person in chat. Second place, Hometown Hero, Deflux. Third place is actually Coding with Strangers. How is that possible? How is that possible? Well, Nova Horizon, you're on the board. I think, you know what it is? You think, you know what I think it is? Oh, actually it does make sense because I hit a, yeah, it does make sense because I've been hitting the, I've been shilling. That's how you know I've been shilling a lot on the channel. Anytime I hit one of these buttons, this is actually counting as me. So yeah. Yeah, get y'all weight up. Shit, fuck y'all. Fuck you me. Y'all mad cause y'all ain't chill. Get your weight up. Yeah. Yeah. I ain't apologizing for shit. There's a reason. There's a reason why not Horizon is in third place. If anyone should be getting judged, it's Grimy. You're damn right. It should be Grimy, because he thinks Nelly Furtado is better than Nelly the rapper. He has the most trash good taste in music I've ever heard or seen. He be dropping bangers on his stream and then come here and say some garbage like that. I wanted to fight Grimy on sight. When I meet you, when I see you at TwitchCon, come to me like this, cause I'm. My grandma got surgery. They said they think they got all the cancer. Hey, yo, clap it up. They got all the cancer, they think. Clap that shit up. We celebrating that shit. Drop a bomb for that shit. Grandma out here. No, we wish Grandma a speedy and quick recovery. We wish her a speedy recovery. You feel me? How you holding up though? Are you mentally there? Are you strong enough to carry the burden of your family, current situation? How you feeling, my brother? All right, let's see what happens. Run that shit. This is taking a tad bit longer than I thought, but it's only a 15-second long click. Ooh, something's broke. Okay, cool. Please check you entered the correct path. Oh, fuck. You're right. Damn. I didn't add the path. Shit, that was my bad. My bad. You know what? I'll take that error. It's been a long time since we had an error like that. Just a dumb one where I just wasn't paying attention. 651 errors since I started coding. Look at life. All right, run it back. Your pops wasn't no gangster. Facts. Hey, yo, it's working. This shit works. Clap it. Yeah. You see that this shit works down there? All right, let's see what the text has to say. It definitely didn't write down the text. But we made it there. I definitely fucked something up. But I still consider it a win because we're just that much closer. Let me see. Why come it didn't recognize the results? Oh wait, audio file? I had a question about why this was Google. Is it just because it's using Google's tech? Results. Did I spell results correctly? Yeah, I did. Or at least they're spelled the same. Oh, wait. Hold on. I think something... Oh, shit. Yeah, here. The results aren't quoted. This is not quoted. Hey, I saw that too. I love it when we're on the same page. I love it when we can think together, my brother. I love it. All right, what happens if I run this shit again? Hopefully it rewrites it. Now it has been a hot minute since I wrote Python, but why is it? Oh yeah, you had the same thing I had. All right, let's see. Moment of truth. Hey, if you like turkey sandwiches with a lot of lettuce on them, you're going to be great. Yeah. You heard it here first, motherfuckers. You're gonna be great. You hear me? You're gonna be great. You goddamn right. All right. Oh, that was... You know what? Full disclosure, that was nowhere near as painful as I thought it was gonna be. Now... And that took a video. All right, let's do the same thing, but let's train it to check to see for audio. I think before we go longer clip, let's train it for audio. So right now we have it trained for video, and literally we can just change some things around. We know that this is video clip, and we already have it set for this, so we just need a second line of this, or actually we don't even need it. We already have the clip audio here. Hold on. No, that's converting the clip audio. So we're gonna make another one of this and set up one for the audio. Your pops was just another turkey sandwich. Let me work. Your pop's just another thing. Sarah's let me work. If you got a place for me to send it, I'll send a clip of voice acting class, 75 seconds. It's yours. If it is yours, send it directly to the chat. And that will be our go-to. Clap it up for Nova. Police is giving me praise for some code that I wrote. Y'all don't know how happy I am right now. Or you can, I don't know how, maybe that might be too big. Like, you might have to, like, paste spin it or something like that. And then I can go there and download it. I don't know what's, like, the size. Or if you have it on YouTube, I can download it off of YouTube. All right, excellent. Well, hopefully this is a semblance of it. All right, so we got this part done. So then we can go 2 branches here. Let's think of the branches. Branch 1, we can do this for audio. So we know that we can now do it in audio and video regardless. So anytime we get a video file or audio file, we can always do this. We can at least get the text file. Or we come back to audio and just keep pushing with the text file. From here, we have a text file. Now we need to figure out how to get the text file to be read by open. Get the text file into ChatGPT, which will require us by ChatGPT, or we go into the phase 2, which is we introduce OpenCV, and we take that file, right? That 15-second clip. We take that 15-second clip of us, and we teach OpenCV how to identify people, and we'll train it to identify me first. Because they don't train this shit on black folks. And that should be pissing me off. So we're going to train it on me first. And I want it to be able to identify who are the top 5. I want it to be able to readily identify the top 5 newscasters in America. I take that back. The top 5 newscasters from CNN, MSNBC, and Fox News. Let's add that to the D's list. Yeah, let's add that shit up. 12. OpenCV. Identify. I don't know how to spell identify, but y'all get it. Obviously, identify me first. Then the top 5 news anchors on CNN, Fox News, and NPR, actually. Let's change that to NPR. Oh, wait. The BBC. Which one do you think is more... Which one do you think is less problematic? BBC or NPR? Ooh. Should we make a poll? How do we make a poll? It looks... I got 3... So... Whoa, NPR is blowing... Okay, NPR is winning this shit. NPR is less problematic? Wow. Okay, guys. Type poll. Poll. Oh, wait, not on that screen, you idiot. Come on. Yeah, let's set a poll. Question. Less problematic. I don't know how to spell problematic. This is problematic. Alright, I got the spell check for it. God bless spell check. Less problematic. NPR, BBC. Yeah, we got it. Oh, what? I can't charge people points? Oh, well, I charge these motherfuckers 10,000. Depending on everything, BBC will hit you with a cease and desist faster than you can say. If you like a lot of letters, you'll be great. They copyright everything they own 98% of the time. Shit, for real? I did 1 million, even motherfucking better. Alright, seems like this is gonna be a landslide. Alright. Alright. Get audio from text. Let's add a and so audio from oh wait, no, text from audio. So this one should really say video vid to text, and then this one's gonna be audio to text. Audio to text. Alright, cool. Alright. And I don't really think we need to do much research on this. I'm pretty sure if we copy this to a certainty, so let's put some notes. Always remember to write some notes, people, because you will forget what the purpose of this was. This will let me use a path in the folder with the name clip.mp4. Then convert it to a WAV file. What about voice recognition instead of face recognition? Faces are usually gone during B-roll. Oh, shit, that's a great point. Because when they're doing the news, they actually will be showing like the scene. I say we do both. Nah, I don't want to do voice only. Well, okay. Okay. Am I being petty here? I think I'm being petty. Voice would be wiser. Yeah, motherfuckers do love B-roll. You're right. They gonna B-roll the shit out of me. Yeah. I gotta stop being so petty in my life, man. It's really ruining, like, my personal life. All right. Man, it really is ruining me. Yay, NPR1. Yeah, they didn't give a fuck. D-Flux didn't even want to vote for his shit, and he mentioned it. D-Flux was like, nah, fuck that. Y'all not about to humiliate me. Alright. I'm not sure what this does yet. It's the recognizer, but I think the recognizer is just a fulfillment of this. Like, these two work in tandem. Like, this sets it up, and then this helps it work itself out. I'm using Google's recognizing software, I'm assuming, or API or plugin, but this is just how it gets into my program. So that's what I'm going to put. That's my understanding of it. This lets me pull the versions of the plug in. Example, Google. That is definitely not the outro song. The outro song is Wolfang. So, chill the fuck out. You default to them? Free the gang? Dizzy, where you at, baby? Clap it. What it do? I do eventually want the microphone. I think the ultimate test would be to test it on me. So do we not want to use facial recognition at all? There's a part of me that wants to still use it. Maybe, damn. There's a part of me that definitely wants to use facial recognition. Like, maybe this would be more useful, like, on TikTok. Add face rec after. Okay, I can agree to that. The reason being because there are like long form podcasts and I feel like with that collected data, what if we could figure out there was a B-roll algorithm for when someone's about to lie? Like there's certain algorithm people use when they want to tell a lie. That would be funny if it recognizes the voice and it can, and if it recognizes the voice and it can screen grab a face, put horns on the person who's lying, and put a halo above the person who's telling the truth. Add it to the fucking Deets list. 13. Add horns to liars and halos to the truth tellers. Add it to the Deets fucking list. Just leave space for it and you are good. Add some comments and put it in. Yeah, you're right. We'll take it piece by piece. Let's keep working on the audio aspect of it. Let's finish writing some notes. So then audio equals, this is how it's converted. And also, like, if you're someone who's like, oh man, I don't know how to write notes, or you see code and you don't understand, Deflux taught me this. You can just copy your whole entire code and put it into ChatGPT and ask it one of two things. One, you can tell it to explain the code, or you can tell it to put comments in the code, and it will rewrite the code and put comments inside of it, which I thought was super fun. Hey, Clorox, have a good night. Thanks for hanging with the Strange Gang, baby. I'd say use it and detect if the lips are moving, and can use it to strengthen the voice match. Oh, you can make it. Oh, I figured you could make it fix it, but I think that would go against one of my rules. Because if it did something that I didn't know how to repeat or ask questions on, I'd be fucked. Function. Function that reads the MP or the wave and creates text using plug in from rec cognizer. And then this exports my shit. Alright, cool. Alright, we're all cut up. So taking the same livelihood, we're gonna just go one line here. We're gonna write some new shit. Take audio. Take audio and pull it from path to be used as source for sound. Alright, so then we're going to do this one. Instead of clips, we're going to say sound. We haven't used the word sound. Sound equals MP dot audio clip file. I love it. It's the same exact thing. And now we're gonna just put in fact we're gonna put the same exact motherfucking file path. This is awesome. So we're gonna be able to do the same two things, and it's because it kind of works in the same, they work in the same way. And instead of clip, we're gonna call it sound. In preparation for this, can someone send me a WAV file? Or I guess I can download it into a WAV file. Ugh. Alright, no, I think we would have to do it MP3 and then we convert it to WAV. So MP3 and then we'll convert it to WAV. Same thing. So now we got a sound dot. Okay, so it's already in a sound format. Yeah. Until I can confidently say I understand code, I would like I was putting it in ChatGPT and it would literally beat my ass. Or wave, okay. So assuming I can then skip this part because that's what converts it to a wave. Or let's test it. What we'll do is we'll write the code, but then we'll block it out. Sound, audio. Dot right, and if it doesn't work, then we'll just bring it back. Right. Okay, cool. All right, cool. So then we'll just play it safe and just make all the time. Just convert it always to. Yeah, we'll just play it safe and convert them all. R. Well, that's what the first one did. The first one takes any clip and just extracts it. That's what this first code does. What do we want to write here? Sound underscore converted dot wave. And then it uses the same thing. Once it gets it to, this is how the audio is converted. We're gonna make another one and call it sound. Oh wait, shit. Oh well, this is still a catch for it, so. Which is fine. What are you going to test it on? Not OOP enough. What you mean, police? I thought what's it called was gonna send me. I thought what's it called was gonna send me his voice recording. Nova? I did send you one. Oh, where'd you send it? Discord? Yeah, send me a new link so I can open it up right away. Sorry I lost it. I gotta get on this coding grind. My job tripping with the directions they're going. Yeah, bro. Get on the wave. Get on the wave, bro. Let's be great together. All right, we're gonna call this one sound. Yeah, download it as an MP3. Sound MP3. I appreciate the donation. I love this beat so much.
Settle your stomach with the most scrumptiously delicious sizzling skillets around. Fancy Fenny's Factory. Drizzle a little fizzle on the skizzle with a sizzle. First up today, Vincent Vasanti showing formidable fortitude against the Venezuelan attacker Rafael Silvianis. Silvianis receives a set, but Vasanti is already in position. Silvianis spikes, but is no use. Vasanti's superior position stops the speeding strike dead. What a play! What a play!
This is great.
Let's have a look again.
This is
Here he
fucking
comes
great.
in with
That's great. Yo, that would be a great test. Busta Rhymes, if you really want to party with me. And Notorious. No. We'll keep it MP3 because this will give us an opportunity to convert it. 90% of the files I download anyway are going to be in MP3. Oh, Grime, you just peeped that? They ain't sent my boy to jail. We got to figure out a way to get him out of jail, man. My man got out. There are people, you want to know how pissed I would be if I was sitting in Rikers Island for a misdemeanor, minimum 10 days, and my boy Trump got 34 felony charges and my man got no bail. You know how pissed off I'd be because I couldn't afford a $200 bail? Ooh, the two-tier justice system is fucking delicious. Don't be poor in this country, y'all. Only 3 homies rocking the tag. Hopefully they'll come fuck with your boy. They do charge you room and board for those 10 days. You're absolutely right. Not even remotely human. 34. 34 felony-related charges. All right. So we got this. Actually, why did I write this? Oh, I was doing this. Okay. We don't need that. You know what? And I gotta make this cleaner, but we're gonna move all of this to the bottom. We're just gonna make another one. Am I wrong in assuming that I could just make this all a big class? Like make one class for the video and one class for the audio, or is that a bad assessment? And you know what else we should probably do? We should probably make a fucking GitHub for this one. The last 10 minutes of the stream we're gonna figure out every stream. Every time we do a new project, we spend 30 minutes at least of one stream just figuring out how to fucking get the GitHub running. But I have confidence that we've done this enough that my muscle memory is there. Or it's not, and we're gonna be fucked again. Is Victor still in the chat? I know Victor knows how to do this. Well, to that extent, I don't think they will be. So probably not. All right, with audio. Okay, so we're gonna just write another function of this. And we're just gonna change it up a little bit. Function that reads the wave file. Okay, wait. Source. Where's my source? Where's my source? Source, okay. With audio. Okay, so instead of audio, with sound underscore audio. As source, audio file dot record source. Shit, that's double source. Okay, hold on. Is source a no, source is not a variable here. Source is actually like it's doing something. So I can't change that. Do we have an MP3 we can test this on yet? Yeah, we do. Okay, cool. We'll be able to test this here shortly. Speech to text. In fact, we're gonna just pull it to a whole new file, just so we can say we can test them separately, right? So let's rename this real quick to vid speech to text, and then we're gonna make another one and call it sound speech to text, just so there's no confusion. And we'll keep them separated, and then if we need to merge them, we'll merge them accordingly. But let's always do them separately. I think that's a major flaw I've made in the past. Don't want to keep doing that shit. All right, duplicate this. Rename. Sound. Alright, does this make sense? I think it makes sense. Let's try it out. Alright, it didn't crash right away, so that's a good sign. Ooh, get fucked. Has no attribute for audio. Alright. I think I just left an audio in somewhere. But that's still an error. You take them errors. Line 6. What did I put in line 6 for this one? Oh, I guess it's just audio. It would just be audio. It says line 6 attribute has no attribute audio. Okay, so then let's just get rid of this. Or can I just say write sound clip and just make it sound like if, yeah. If it's already in audio, it doesn't need to write it. We just want to convert it. Let's see. I need to put some print statements in here so I can get like, I know where it's failing. Hey yo. Okay, perfect. He converted it over. I love it when shit works. Did my stream die? Or y'all just extra quiet? Because I know my stream been shut down. I just want to say, Grimy, knock on wood, I think we solved our internet problem. It's my router. My router is fucked. This looks serial. I don't know what serial means. What's up, Crumb? Oh, serious. We're having some fun, and if it worked. Moment of truth. Shit. I didn't change the name out, so that means it should still be the same. Recognize text. Welcome to Freaky Friday. Oh shit. It wrote it all in one line. It worked. Clap it. Get serious. Nova, it worked. It worked. Delicious sizzling skillets around Penny's factory drizzle, the little fizzle on the schedule, and with a sizzle. First up today we have Vincent. Oh, you were way better at doing this shit than I was. It even got Finney's. It did pretty well, it seems like. It's doing better than what I'm doing. All right. All right. Well, that best 30 seconds is going to take you places, baby. Clap it up. Clap it up, damn it. Clap it up, damn it. Hey, what up? Hey, Hobo Tutor, what's good? All right. right, so that's great. We have 2 accomplishments for tonight. Let's go for a third. Magical third. What do we want that third thing to be, though? We can now extract the text. Actually, yeah, let's change the sound text 1 to recognize speech, recognize text, recognize. We'll make this one sound text, sound. Recognize sound text, and then we'll make this one recognized vid underscore, and let's just run this one so we have 2 separate copies. Long time no see, rarely catch you on the as late as I used to. Yeah, I switched it up because, like, you know, not getting enough sleep. It's bad. It's hard work. It was a traceback error. Has no attribute for audio. Oh shit, I ran the wrong one. I didn't delete everything out. My bad. I know I did this one wrong. This function is the wave file, so let's get rid of this one. Let's go up here. Delete this one. We don't need this one either. Alright, we should be all caught up. Yeah, but yeah, work has just been brutal. And I'm starting to cover some surgeries now, so I need to get enough sleep without being too boring. But we've been making a lot of progress. How you been though? Yeah, I was fortunate. Just sneaking in there, try and get a few cases here and there. All right, I think then the next thing is we can actually add like a quick check here, like a loop to check and see if the audio recording to check and see if the audio conversion of it is available. To check and see if the converted wave is available. If a converted wave is available, then skip the conversion and just go straight to reading. Well, actually, it did do that. Yeah, movie pie writing audio is converted wave. Okay, it actually did do that. Okay, never mind. Nah, man, you know, you'll find a balance. I was just saying, like, we just ended Q1, and I'm doing, like, some documentation to end out Q1 and shit like that. Aria? The correct term you're looking for is lurk and twerk. But thanks for joining up, and we accept your twerk. All right, so then what would be next for us then? We got the sound, we got the text. I guess we can knock that off our D's list. This shit ain't pending no more. It's done. Like special words in dictionaries, but isn't that based on it's based on the plugin. It's using Google system. You can add a layer, customize it, sure. Yeah, I feel like that's adding the lettuce. We're still on the bread maybe. But maybe we are done. Cuz what would be next from here? We want to leave the video part to the end. So then I guess we would want to then we would need something like a text reader. So something that would take the text reader and then put in ChatGPT. I think we're ready for the GPT aspect of this. But we would then have to take it and then pose it as a question. So basically we're creating a fact checker. Any video okay, maybe this is the next step because we're doing this in 3 parts. Any video we send a path to it. Any audio we send a path to it. We just want the text to convert it to text. Now I think we want to use, so we've done it for the stationary audio, stationary video. Now let's do it for real-time audio. So streamers use their mics to have the text already come up. A fact checker after my own heart. You know, I was telling the chat, like, before you got here, I was at the airport and someone said some reckless shit, like, oh, this is true. And somebody else was like, no, that's definitely not true. And this person was like, it's absolutely true. I used ChatGPT to look it up. And I was just like, holy shit. We're doomed. So I want to be able to do 3 things. Any audio I plug into it, I want it to be able to fact check it in real time. Any video I plug into it, I want it to be able to fact check it in real time. And then also, like if I have this running and I'm flipping through TikTok on my desktop, I want it to be able to recognize the voices. So I think that's the next step. I want it. Let's do that one. Let's definitely do that one right now. My source of facts is my moral compass, and as you know, I lied on my resume to get my job, and I'm just as American as they come. Each of their screens. I mean, it's just like when they said the calculator was going to be a problem. The professors some professors got wise to it and made you come up and delete your whole entire computer, whole entire calculator. But if you were smarter than the professor, you know you could have 2 fucking save slots, baby. Delete the first one. In fact, I just come up and say, it's already deleted, sir. He's like, all right, go back to your seat. Then I hit that Control F-P. Because obviously some teachers caught on to the 2 things, so you had to have hotkeys. I had hotkeys on my graphic calculator. I was unstoppable. let's take it. Let's take it one step further. Let's see if we can get this audio feature to pick up my to just listen. I mean, I'm interested. Can this thing? What is it called? Can we get sound recognition to pick up audio? That's the next question. Let's do some Googling. Anglers, all right, get some rest. I appreciate you. Thanks. Live audio. Yeah. Fucking YouTubers and streamers do it all day, and they have their shit come up in the bottom of the screen. That same thing, but we just make that thing listen to audio. All right, let's figure it out. Can I make a diagram? Absolutely. I know the way I just freeball my shit off the top of my head is quite problematic. Speech, rec, Python, using, what was the word you used? Live audio. In 60 seconds. Crumb, you think we should use OBS? You'll need to create an audio stream. I can't create a Hey, yo, master. What you talking about, Willis? Interesting. Okay. How to perform real-time speech recognition with Python. Let's see what we got. Remember, we're doing this
The people.
for the people, y'all. Alright, let's look at this one. How to perform real-time speech recognition with Python. Oh, WebSocket. If you want to follow along the tutorial, WebSocket, real-time speech, assemble PY. I think I might have found the same one. This is the article I just found. Feel free to plug and chug. Oh wait, sorry, don't use that one. Use this one. That first one is busted. That's kind of weird. I can't delete my own comments. Use the second one though. The code above snippets will open an audio stream that receives the input from your microphone. But can I make it something else? Instead of my microphone, can I make it something else? That'd be lit. speech recognition using I want to master Python. Oh, that's what you meant? Hey, yo, you gotta add more context to that, my guy. Why do you want to master Python? What are you wanting to use it? What are you wanting to use if not your microphone? I want to be able to use my desktop audio. So looking at my source, right? Let's look at my map source. You can see over here this is my microphone. And then over here you can see I have Google tabs open here. I have my VLC opened up here. If I wanted to be able to listen to my desktop. So anything that it can hear, I want it to be able to transcribe it. So we can make it any input device because I have 3. And I think having this product on my computer might make things way easier. If I can change the input to whatever I want, the answer is already solved. We just move with this one, and then when it comes to access for our input, we switch it. The Streamlabs one is pretty fast, though. Anything that, okay. All right, Nova. So which one do you want to use? Should we use this one? Just go with it. Is this even Python? Hold on. What the fuck is this? Yeah, it's Python. Y'all, I made some Brussels sprouts today. Caramelized Brussels sprouts. That shit was so good, I want to slap somebody's mama. Alright, we'll keep researching then. I took the walk.
This is a example of the real-time transcription for assembly AI in the terminal.
Oh, that's pretty dope. Yeah, he got the one I want. Oh, of course they want us to pay for some shit. Fuck you and your API tokens. I hate people like this. Oh, what y'all know about that Rugrat flow, baby? Yeah. All right, Hobo Tutor. We got some cultured folks in the chat. Got some cultured strangers in the chat. We love to see it. To hell with you, OpenAI. Man, they was some ugly ass babies. The ability to call people's babies ugly became a thing after the Rugrats, because after seeing the Rugrats, I had the confidence within myself to look at my own pictures and look at other people's pictures and be like, yo, you was an ugly baby. Now right now I'm part of a glow up phase, you feel me? But there ain't no way, looking at Tommy Pickles' head shape, you can't tell me that he was safe in that house, because the deformity of his head implies he was dropped a lot. Stewie was always shaking, man. The Inspector Gadget flow, that's a tough one. An Inspector, if I could, know what? I'm looking for that shit tomorrow. If I find a tough ass Inspector Gadget drill mix, opening song. Now let's just scroll to the bottom to make sure they're not going to ask us for money at the end. Okay, I got to configure an API token. Ooh, they got a GitHub. And a Stack Overflow. Oh, thanks, Pie Coach. And you did it for free. Looks like we're going to be using this one, maybe. Let's take it from the top. Getting API. In the previous article, we created a free assembly AI account in order... Fuck! I've been swindled, y'all. He wrote this article just to, at the end, tell my ass I gotta go do something over there. Is this a drill remix? All right. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is dubstep. We don't want dubstep. I said drill mix. Drill. Come on. Find me the drill. You said number 3? Answer number 3. Ooh, 7 answers. Take it from the top. Get big for Mario. One, 2, 3. Once you find which index the microphone you want to use on it, input device index option, follow index microphone. It may cause mic was indexing. For I range and device count info get input device ID. It will let you change it. You can't believe this is dubstep stream. This is my like I said, my music taste spans so many genres. They're all gutter trash. But occasionally I have a bop in there. right, Nova. That was some OG dubstep. That shit was just, it was too much. It's fucking 12 o'clock. fucking headphones started rattling. That when dubstep is the only thing dubstep is good for now is being your final alarm. You know, like when you say you're gonna wake up, but you set 3 alarms. That last alarm is a dubstep sound because that's just gonna get you the fuck up. Like, oh, okay, shit. Can't find a good drill of Inspector Gadget. I'm gonna make it a mission tomorrow. I'm gonna look for it. You know, SoundCloud be holding some gems too, but I'll check YouTube. I'll check YouTube. The code failure idiot. I'll hack per info. All right. So if we do this, well, okay. So damn, we're kind of at that roadblock again, right? That open AI shit that will let us do the online one, unless there's a version of this that's free, which I'm not opposed to giving up on just yet. Like I said, we've already come to terms with that. We're gonna have to do this shit the hard way. But OpenAI has a version of this, I'm assuming. Or is Assembly and OpenAI one and the same? I doubt it. Which does speech recognition? Okay. Okay, so Whisper would be our go-to here. Does Whisper have the ability to listen in on other than Mike? Not a huddle. Okay. So I'm covered there. The reason. Okay, no, but I get it. Shit. Stop yelling. I'm using ChatGPT for 2 reasons. One, it's a buzzword, and then 2, if we can train it, and give it a moral skewing of my liking, then it'll be used more so for like what would give it a scenario where it's like what would Heero think. Like some things are just factual. There's some certain things that are just factual, but then like for those random one-off things that could be left up to interpretation. Yeah, for example, what's some dumb shit that people would say to me? Like somebody could make the argument that the world is flat, or like Democrats are lizard people. Like those things would just have moral skewings. Yeah, like I'm absolutely the best part about this fact checking. The irony of moral skewing. Yeah, I get it. Okay. Hey, that's a. What would that be? A double entendre? No, an entendre. I love My Hero Academia. This is from My Hero Academia. This season 6 was touched me right in my heart, y'all. All right, so tomorrow I guess we spending money because that's what we want to do. So tomorrow for the task for Deets, we completed our first task. Shout out to us. By Open AI Whisper and make input devices of soundbar and mic pending. Oh wait, shit, we're not doing this tomorrow. Tomorrow we're working on Godot. I like this project a lot. It's fair and balanced like all things in the universe should be. Grammy, wake your ass up. Grammy, wake your ass up, boy. Let's see who we got. Because I actually have surgery tomorrow, and it's 12 o'clock. So, you know, in an effort of keeping people alive and shit. I got an electric toothbrush, y'all. I don't know how to feel about this, and I don't think I'm using it correctly. Can somebody give me some pointers on how to use my electric toothbrush? Okay, I've been sitting here for the last 10 minutes trying to type Maddie's name in, and I just realized she changed her name. Motherfucking name change. Caught your boy slipping. It was the name change for your boy. The brushy end goes in your mouth. Okay, Crumb, thank you. Y'all ain't shit, man. Why y'all be talking? What did I do to hurt y'all? I come here and give y'all these great streams, and y'all asses just be out here abusing me. Y'all stick around. We gonna raid what's it called? We gonna raid Maddie. She changed her name. Gotta figure that out. Are you putting it in your mouth? Y'all are annoying as fuck. To the credits. Roll them bitches. All right. So who won the great dance? How many people were participating? The perfect stranger. I want to say thank you to everybody and anybody who joined up on the stream tonight. Send it on Discord. Or you can DM me directly on Discord. What's the Discord link? Here goes the Discord link. Send it to me directly in Discord or through other means. Tomorrow we're gonna be doing Godot stuff. We figured out how to make the animations move doing the 3D sprites, but I'm curious to know, can I put that over an object? Can the sprite just have one sprite for right now? Am I wasting too much time and energy on this? Also, if we could do the sprites in all forms, why don't we just make all the sprites do that? And can sprites move stationary on their own? So like a tree that waves back and forth. We're gonna try and figure all that shit out tomorrow. I love you faces. Take care. Peace.